Hi everybody, welcome to the House of Thorstein. I'm out walking again today because there's nothing else to do in Michigan. So this is what we're doing. I brought hubby with me today though.
Hello.
He's a camera guy. It was supposed to rain all day today, but as you see it isn't. So this seemed like a really good idea. So maybe we'll do some stretches while we're back here. Oops, I don't want to do that one. Are you with me?
Watch where you're going. Or we'll have a YouTube fail as you crash and burn.
Oh, I thought it could happen both.
Be a lot more interesting if you'd say something.
What do you want to say? What do you want to talk about?
This
How
was
bored we are here in Michigan.
this was your idea.
Careful, don't trip. But like we're so bored that we get excited going to the grocery store, and I got to buy chicken today in 3 packs instead of 1. So that was pretty exciting. What else did we do? Oh yeah, we ran after supplies for my husband's business. That was fun.
Sort of.
And I actually went to work with hubby the other night because I was so bored. So I was going to do some work at home in my salon, but everybody got afraid, so they didn't want to come because, you know, I might be contagious. I'm contagious, just not in that direction. Probably in the crazy direction. See this log right up here?
I do not think so.
Which direction did it come from? That
That's
way.
right there. They're just a poplar. That's what it is.
So it's nothing you'd cut up?
Well, you can cut it up for firewood just fine. It just burns really fast.
There's a bunch
It's
over
just
here.
they get brittle when they stand for some reason, and then they just fall over.
Right on my back.
Oh yeah, we're definitely gonna have to get them cleaned up. That's for sure.
Yep. So, anyway. So maybe we'll think of more fun things to do. Hope y'all are staying safe. Be sure to subscribe to our House of Thorstein.